My Excel class.
Welcome to the 14th lecture of the AutoCAD. In this lecture, I will teach you about the group. Well, before starting this one, I want to explain one thing that in previous lectures we have learned that how we can build a new block, and how can we insert it. Just like here's a few example. These are the few blocks on which we were working in previous lecture, and the two blocks I have drawn here from this insert panel, door and the window, and I want to explain about the group panel by using these two blocks. So let's start. Well, what does mean by the group panel, and what is the grouping actually? It means that sometime you need to group two or more than two blocks. Just like here we have two blocks which are separate, means which are not grouped, and we can group it by this group panel. How can we do this? Let's start. Well, here is the group panel, and here are three different options. I will be explaining all the one. First, let me click here on the group, and now on the command bar something is being asked that select object name or description, means you can either write a name here or you can write a description, but let me select the object. Just like this one is our object and this one is our object, and press enter. Now these has been grouped. See, when I click here, both will be selected. So in this way you can do grouping of two or more than two your blocks. Means when you need a set of two or more than two, you can group it and you can use in your drawing where you will be needed. So this is the usage of this group panel. Well, let's learn some modification on this group panel. Well, here are three different options, three different Google. Here is the group editing, here is the ungroup, and here is the group selection. So I will explain all three one, but start with this group edit. Just like I click here, group edit. Before starting this one, let me insert another panel, another block. Suppose I'm okay. Insert another window. Well, we have a three different blocks, and exactly these two are grouped, and this is not, and I want to include this block into this group. So how can you do this? You can edit this one by clicking here group edit. Click here group edit. Now it is asking that select group or name. Just like, let me click here. Okay, now it's asking that enter an option, add object or remove object, means we were doing some addition, and here was original group, and I want to add this block into this group. Now it's asking that either you want to remove something even from this group, or you want to add something new in this group. Suppose I want to add this window into this group. I will click here on the add object, Now I need to select which object I want to add, then press enter. Now see, these has been grouped by using this addition panel. Means by using this edit panel, group editing, you can add something or you can remove something. Suppose now I want to remove this window from this block. I can do this by using this option. I will go here, click here. Now it's asking that select group. Here is our group, and now it's asking that either you want to add or remove something, or either you can rename it. Well, I want to remove object, and exactly I want to remove suppose this one. Click enter. Now this has been removed, and here is the block. You can remove any block, either this one, or this one. Well, this was the usage of the editing. And one more thing you can do, you can rename it by using this editing, group editing. Click here. Now select the group, next rename, and you can write anything. You can write any name here, just like let me write here ASDF. Click enter. Now the name of this log of this group is the ASDF. Well, next one is the ungroup. Well, here is the two blocks which is combined by the group, and if I want to ungroup this one, I can do this by clicking on this one. Click here on the ungroup. Now it will ask something, means ungroup, select group. Here is our group, and click enter. Now this has been ungrouped. Then this one over. Now this has been ungrouped, means these are the three different objects. So you can ungroup by using this option. And next one is the group selection on off. Well, what is this one? Before explaining this one, let me group these three one. Group, select object, click enter, and now this one is the one group. These three block is linked with the one group, and I want to explain this option, group selection on and off. It means that when I will on this group will be working just like a group, and when I will off this will not be working like a group, even if this is originally a group. What I mean to say, here's a one group having three different blocks, and when I click here, well, now this is behaving just like a different object, although these are not different objects. This is the one group, but I have just turned it off, and now it's behaving just like a different object. Although when I click here, now this will be behaving just like a group, as originally this is a group. So the difference between these two are this option makes ungroup, and this option just turn it on or off. Well, next one is the here's our group, and when I click here, there's a bounding box around this group, and you can remove this bounding box by here. Well, here is the group bounding box. When you click here, now although this is a one group, when I click here, there will be no bounding box around this group. So this is the advantage. When again I click here, now when I select this one, there will be a bounding box about this group. And well, this is all for today. This was actually a lecture upon grouping. Means when you will be need multiple blocks at the same time, you can group it and you can use it. Well, if you have any question, you can ask. Okay, see you next time. Bye.